Hey everybody, it's Richard RMAutodiag, and what we've got here is from the Vpecker review. Everyone's been asking about a lot of different cars. The Vpecker review does have about 10 different vehicles on there. So what I've done is I'm splitting it up into 10 different videos, and I'll put them all out, one for each vehicle, so you can watch each vehicle separately. If you want to check out the review, I'll put a card above, and you can see the full review, which obviously goes through the software and everything else about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and here's the review. Okay, number 9, we're on a Vauxhall Astra 2008. So let's have a look. See if we can auto scan it. Model is not supported, so that must be for later models. We'll go Europe, 2008. H. I don't know what engine's in this. Well, it's petrol. Should we have a guess? Go for a 1600. Ah, there you go. It's told us. Z18 XER. So that's pretty good. We weren't sure. We had a guess. Saved us going having to look for it. Thermostat stuck. So got some good codes. Looks like there's lots of tests here. ECU control, program idle speed, learned values, reset ECU. We got some live data, hopefully. Might have frozen. Communication failed. Actuator test. So we've got fans. Mill test. Let's see if that'll just ignition on. So activate. It's on. Inactivate is off. So yeah, we got some working stuff there. There's plenty of stuff in that one. And let's have a look in the body. Go instrument. We'll just try a couple of things on this. So yeah, we got fault codes, ECU information. Let's have a look in that one. If it tells us what it is. Yeah, part numbers, chassis number, data stream, displayed fuel level. Let's see if we can get any data on this one. Yeah, fuel's about 1/4 of a tank. So yeah, we got some stuff there. And let's quickly go into ABS. Again, we got fault code read, some communication issues, data stream, brake light switch. See if that one works. Yep. So we got a good data stream on that. And yeah, we got some stuff here that I'm not going to set off right now. So there we go, Vauxhall Astra